ஒரு சிம்பிள் காட்டுங்க. ஐ மீன் ஒரு
I'm Ravi.
Wait.
Start பண்ணிடு.
Start.
Hi, I'm Ravi from Netlinks. We are going to see Cisco wireless mobility now. I will show that devices and how to configure that device. And this is a Cisco 18 series, and here it is a slim look like that. It is a very compact, and for that looking it's a very nice for that looking. And here it is that lock features is lock and ports is available. This is a console port, and this is a USB, and this is a aux port, and this is a PoE for that power enabled, or that through that power over Ethernet. And this is a 48 volt DC which we can use that adapter, 48 volt adapter, we can just insert it. The device which is connected to the controller, PoE switch, and this device can be act as a controller, and we can manage up to 25 APs for this controller. Now just we can just initial we can configure that on that AP. It will show you that Cisco air provision. We can connect on that Cisco air provision. That password is default. That security key is password, and just log into that. That's default IP is 192.168.1.1. This is a web page of that device. Just this over here, it is only 3 steps we need to configure on that. Only is that IP address we need to give, and SSID, and that RF transmit power. These things only 3 steps we can configure, and easily we can configure. First we can create that username and password. Password is case sensitive, and that one uppercase and one numeric, one special character and one numeric letters we needed. Just click on the start. Just select, just give the system name. Country code is must for that frequency we can enable through this country code only. And date and time we need to give that, and that region for that country code. It's a time zone for this region. If you have NTP server, we can make it that NTP server. And management IP address. If you configure this management IP address, through this IP address only we can enable that next time. Now I am giving that 1.2, and gateway that subnet mask for this. You can use that subnet mask in your network, and gateway IP address. Click next. It's the second step for this configuration. And network name for this is a SSID which is called for that that client mobile units we can connect through using this SSID only. That I am giving as Cisco. This is a pre-shared key for this we need to give. Through this key only we can able to connect that SSID. This is a management VLAN. What is the VLAN? If you have a management VLAN, we can give that IP address of that management VLAN. That if you need that separate VLAN, we can create a separate VLAN. And DHCP server option is available. If you need to give, you can also give. And one more option is also available: guest network. If you want to enable that guest network, we can enable it. And click next. This is a third option, which is that RF parameters. You can just using that client sensitive. You can use a low, typical, something is a high. If you have a high data rate for the client, we can make it something like this. And here you can use data and voice, or data, both we can use, no issues. And click next and apply. Just if you apply, these pages will apply. Configuration has been done. It is so simplest configuration. Just only three steps we need to configure. One is that management IP address. Next is say that wireless LAN SSID, and third one is RF parameter. These things only we can make it. It's the simplest and easiest configuration for this system. Stop and them.